Good morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Well, we begin with auto stocks, and it's Tata Motors in the limelight as the company has announced another price hike. This is in less than 2 months. They've gone ahead and planned to hike their passenger vehicle prices, and this is largely on account of the increase in the input costs. And the company said that they intend to shortly mark an appropriate increase in prices in their range of cars as well as in SUVs. A formal announcement on the quantum of this price hike is going to be yet announced. And do remember, it was just a couple of months ago in the month of May that the company increased their prices in India by up to 1.8%. Prior to that, in January 2021, they went ahead and increased prices by about 26,000 rupees basis the variant or the model. So watch out for Tata Motors. Other than that, we'll be keeping an eye out on the Q1FY22 updates from different companies. There's H Kelkar that we'll be keeping an eye out on. The company says that they have witnessed a recovery in demand and there has been some sort of a normalization in consumer sentiment. They also say that creative Flavours and Fragrances has delivered a very healthy performance. And on a consolidated basis, their Q1 sales stood at around 355 crores. We'll also be watching out then for Maruti Suzuki within the auto space, as the country's largest car maker said that their total production rose to about 1.65 lakh units as a lot of states have eased their COVID restrictions, and the company has produced a total of 40,924 units. They shut production, remember, from May until May 1st until May 16th on account of to divert oxygen from industrial plants for the medical use, and the production of mini cars, which is the Alto and the Espresso models, was at about 26,316 units last month as against about 4,896 units in May. Moving on then, we'll be keeping an eye out on NMDC as the government has announced an OFS of 11.72 crore shares or 4% equity. There's a green shoe option of about 10 crore shares, 10.2 crore shares. The total OFS size, including the green shoe, is at about 7.49%, and the OFS is open for non-retail investors on the 6th of July and for retail investors on the 7th of July. Remember, the government owns about 68.29% stake in the company. The floor price is 165. Macquarie has come out with their report on HDFC Bank. They maintain an outperform with a 2005 rupee target, saying that the loan market share has improved by 80 basis points, the deposit market share has improved, and the second wave impact has been less. CLSA 2 has a buy on HDFC Bank with a target at 1825.